Students, now we are going to start practice set 2.2. In previous video, we learned the concept that when two parallel lines intersected by a transversal, the angles formed. Each pair of corresponding angles are congruent, interior angles are supplementary, alternate angles are congruent. By using these properties, we are going to solve the practice set 2.2. Now first question. In first bit, he given to choose the alternative questions. Nothing but multiple choice question. First bit, first one. Observe the figure. Here he given line M and line N are the two parallel lines and line T is a transversal. And find the value of X. First we will write the given. Given line M parallel to line N. Line P is transversal. What to find? To find X. Value of X. Okay. Now solution. First you identify the given angles. The given angles lies between the two lines. 3x and x are the interior angles which lies the same side of the transversal. So now we learn the property interior angles are supplementary. Here 3x and x are interior angles. Interior angles. About the interior angles, what we know? Interior angles are supplementary. Interior angles are supplementary. So you add 3x plus x equal to 180 degree. These are the like terms. Here x coefficient is 1. 3x plus x equal to 4x equal to 180 degree. Cancel. 4 1s are 4 4s are 16. 4 5s are 20. X equal to 45 degree. The value of therefore x equal to 45 degree. The value of the x is 45 degree. Option is C. Students, in first bit we are having two multiple choice questions. First one I explained. Second one is similarly based on the first one. So second one take it as homework. Students, now second question. Observe the figure. Find the value of x and y. First step, we will write the given. Given what? Line P and line Q are the parallel lines. Line P parallel to line Q. And in this figure, we are having two transversals. Line T and line S are transversals. And what he has to find? To find x and y. Okay. How to solve? Solution. Solution. How? 40 degree. Vertically, here I am using the concept of the vertically opposite angles are congruent. See here, x and x. Here also 70 degree. There are two ways to solve the question. I am explaining the first way. Here, vertically opposite angles are congruent. 40 degree congruent to 40 degree, x congruent to x and 70 degree congruent to 70 degree. Now here line P is parallel to line Q. I am taking the transversal T. Line P parallel to line Q. Line T is transversal. So we can find the value of x. See 40 degree and x are the interior angles on the same side of transversal. Now in previous video we learned the properties of angles made by a transversal and two parallel lines. Interior angles are supplementary. Interior angles are supplementary. 40 degree plus x equal to 180 degree. The 40 degree sent to the right side. X equal to 180 degree minus 40 degree. X equal to 140 degree. You got the value of x. Now what is remain? 1. Now here same parallel lines but transversal is different. See, line P parallel to line Q. Line S is transversal. Here also, if you observe these two are interior angles, here also same concept. Interior angles are supplementary. Interior angles are 180 degree or supplementary. Y plus 70 degree equal to 180 degree. Y equal to 70 degree to the right side. Y equal to 180 degree minus 70 degree equal to 110 degree. Y equal to 110 degree. Therefore, x equal to 140 degree and y equal to 110 degree. These are the values of the x and y. In the question also he asked that one only. Students, second question answers are x equal to 140 degree and y equal to 110 degree. In the question he asked to find the x and y. You got the answers. Students, based on first bit and second bit, you can solve the question number 3 and 4. They are very easy. Now I am explaining last question in this exercise. Fifth question. Observe the figure. Here how many lines are there? 3. These 3 lines are parallel to each other. Line P, line L, line Q. These 3 lines are parallel to each other. If you observe this V shape, these two are transversals. Okay. Now find the value of x, total x. First we will write the given. Given line P parallel to line L and line L parallel to line Q. Here you can write the name also for the transversal. Here you can write A, B, C. Here it is a segment. If you extend it will become a line also. Otherwise write down the segment. Segment AB and segment BC are the transversals for the 3 parallel lines. Here segment AB and segment BC are transversals. To find what? X equal to question mark. This total x. If you take 2 parallel lines, line P is parallel to line L. Segment AB is a transversal. 40 degree and here you will get the half x only. 40 degree and this one. Here you can write x1, otherwise x2. x1 plus x2 equal to total x. Here you can write x1 plus x2 equal to total x. Therefore, x equal to question mark. Solution. First, line P parallel to line L. Here, segment AB is transversal. If you take segment AB as a transversal, what will get? We will get the value of x1. x1 equal to question mark. If you see x1 and 40 degree, they are alternate interior angles. So when 2 parallel lines intersected by a transversal, the angle formed interior alternate angles are congruent. Interior alternate angles are congruent. So that is 40 degree is congruent to x1. Congruent means what? Equal. So therefore x1 equal to 40 degree. First one we got. Okay. Now remaining half what? x2. Now remaining parallel lines. Line L parallel to line Q. Segment BC is a transversal. Line L parallel to line Q. Segment BC is a transversal. Okay. Now if you observe here also, same before concept only. x2 and 70 degree. These are the interior angles, but they are opposite angles. That means alternate interior angles. Interior alternate angles are congruent. That is, x2 is congruent to 70 degree. That is, x2 is congruent to 70 degree. Congruent means what? Equal. x2 equal to 70 degree. This one number 2. But what he has to find? X. X means what? x1 plus x2. At last we have to add x1 and x2. Now, last step. We got the x1 as 40 degree, x2 as 70 degree. To find the x1, x equal to x1 plus x2. X equal to 40 degree plus 70 degree. X equal to 110 degree. Therefore, x equal to 110 degree. Here 110 degree. This exercise finished.